Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Brianna Lauren here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a updated face routine. If you didn't watch the old video that I did, like, I don't know, I think it was a year ago. It had to have been a year ago. Go ahead and watch that, check that out, and then watch this one to see some new things that I actually put in my routine, because I did put a lot of new things in my routine. I'm gonna just show you guys what I use first. So yeah, this is what I use for when I just wash my face. Like, this is all I use. I don't use anything else. If I don't have this, I'll probably use Dove soap. I know some people are like, why you use Dove soap sometimes? Like, it works for me. It doesn't mess up my skin, but this is what I use all the time. This is actually very good if you have very sensitive skin, which I do. After I do that, I use these pads, and I also use Witch Hazel toner. So this is basically for like dark spots and stuff like that. So that's what I use after I wash my face, and it actually has been working. I had a little bit of dark spots. They're still kind of there, if you guys can like see. It's done its progress. Like, my face is actually kind of clear. I got 2 pimples that came out of nowhere recently, and I don't even know how. I think it's because I ate something. I ate something sweet. It's probably some candy, I don't know. But I had one right here and right here, and they looked exactly alike. But it's going away. Then after that, I don't usually use this mask all the time, but since I got these pimples, I'm gonna use it today. This is for like acne. I got this a long time ago, but it actually works. After that is done, I rinse everything off. I let that dry, and I go in with this Pond's. A lot of people use this. I've been using this for years. My mom used to use this a lot. It reminds me of her, so I always use this on my face all the time. Or I put like some cocoa butter, but I always use this. I usually just put a little dab because sometimes it's too much, like your skin gets too oily. After that, I go in with this spray. It's basically a rose spray. A lot of people use this as well. I mean, you could spray and then put this on, or put this on and spray. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. And for my lips, I put cocoa butter on before I go to sleep. I just rub it on my lips. And yeah, I'm gonna just have a little chit chat with you guys, because I feel like, I don't know, I do talk enough in my videos, but I'm pretty sure y'all wanna see me talk more. A lot of people have been liking my personality, okay? And I'm feeling it. Like, y'all really be watching my videos, and I appreciate it. This week was kind of boring. I was supposed to make another video for you guys. That will wait for next week. It's gonna be a fun video. I'm not gonna tell you guys what it is yet, but it's gonna be a fun video. And yeah, so let's get on to washing my face. And you guys, I wash my face with my hands, so yeah. I'm really sorry for the setup, but the way my bathroom is set up, like, there's no right way to plop the camera. I don't rub on my face because, like I said, my face is very sensitive. I don't wash my face with a rag. I do want to get those rolling machine. Y'all know what I'm talking about. You put the soap on it and then it has a brush on it. I want to get one of those. I had one before. I'm very like weird when it comes to my skin because my skin is very sensitive, and I use my hands. I don't know if a lot of people use their hands, but I use my hands. I'm gonna go in with my mask. You could apply it with your fingers, but I like going to apply with a brush. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. I'm gonna listen to some music. No, actually I'm gonna talk to you guys. Everybody keeps telling me on my Instagram that like your personality, like I just know like you're just a cool ass person, like you're mad chill. I am very chill. Like I'm not really the rowdy type. I look crazy. Should I put some right here? I don't like when things are like on my upper lip. I appreciate all the love everybody's, you know, giving me. I didn't think you guys would really actually like to watch my videos, but a lot of people actually like watching my videos. And yeah, this quarantine, I'm not even gonna lie to you. The beginning of quarantine was kind of bad for me, just a little bit, because I actually was having trouble sleeping. Like I was really having trouble sleeping. I wasn't able to sleep that much, and I think that's what really messed up my sleeping schedule, because I wasn't able to sleep on a good timing. So like I would go to sleep at like 3, 4 in the morning, like till the sun would come up. I don't know, I feel like that has to do with my anxiety and stuff. Like a lot of stuff was going on, so I feel like that was one thing. And now I'm sleeping though, like I'm sleeping. Like my bags used to be crazy the beginning of quarantine. I probably dragged it, but you know, I had little bags or whatever. But yeah, quarantine, it wasn't bad. I've just been chilling. Let me know what you guys have been doing this quarantine. I see everybody doing their businesses, like all my friends doing their businesses and stuff like that. Like I love to see it. Period. Like I love to see it. Everybody's buying their cars, their houses, their apartments. Like it's just good vibes all around, and I love it. Like I love it. So I'm going to Atlanta soon. I'm going in August, and I'm gonna be vlogging all of that. Y'all are gonna be with me. I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna have fun. I'm going for my friend's birthday, and I'm going to Virginia as well for my cousin's birthday. I'm just going everywhere. And yeah, I'm gonna be vlogging that. I'm really excited to go to Atlanta though, because I've never been, and I want to see what the hype is all about. And yeah. I don't know, like I'm loving this new me. Like I'm just loving it. Like I don't feel like it's a new me. I feel like it's the old Lauren, whereas like Lauren did not care about. Because honey, listen, before, like a couple of months ago, Lauren used to care about mad stuff. Now I don't care about nothing. Like if you're wasting my time, you're running my energy, like I don't care about nothing. And that's what I really love about myself, because like I really loved it about myself. Because before I was just like, I was just in this sad, soppy, like, you know, I have my days. Everybody has their days. But like, damn, girl, like, the hell? No, it's like not good to have a care in the world, but it's like, honestly, like, just live your life. And that's what I'm doing, like, just living my life. And, you know, going out more. Like, yo, I used to not go out. Like, I was really a homebody. Don't get me wrong, I still am, but like I go out, I have fun. I want to be with my friends, you know, just be vibing, you know, because you know tomorrow's not promised. You never know. Like, live every day to the fullest. Like, not every day is gonna be fun, but like, you know, just do you. And that's what I'm doing, and I love it. Okay, I love it. So I'm about to just wash this off. But yeah. So now I'm about to go in with this witch hazel. Just a little bit. Now I'm gonna go on my palms. When you're moisturizing, always like move your hands up. My mother told me that because your face will start to get old. I don't know. I believe it though, because once you like you know, massage your face down, that means like, you know, you're gonna get wrinkles and stuff early. Like, oh, you don't need that. I'm going to go in with my Spray All Day Rose Spray. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and put your bell notification on so every time I do post, you guys will get notified. A video was supposed to be long overdue, honestly, because I'm starting to post in the beginning of the week. I don't know what days, like I don't know if I'm gonna do like a set day yet, but I just want to get the hang of posting every week instead of just getting a set day. Like I told myself I will be posting every week, either 1 or 2 videos, but I haven't chose a day yet. So I think maybe like once I get the hang of posting more and just keep posting and posting, I'll probably get like a set day to just post. Let me know what videos you guys want to see next. There's gonna be a lot of fun things. I'm gonna be vlogging. Like I said, I'm going to Atlanta and I'm going to Virginia, so I'm gonna be having a lot of content by then. Like I'm gonna have a lot, so just keep watching, you know, subscribe, be a part of the family, my family, my little family I have. And yeah, it's a little quick, this was just a quick little video to catch up on you guys and, you know, a little chit chat. Hey you guys, thank you for watching. Bye my lovelies.